Hi guys, today we are making the Hershey's Easy Built Chocolate Cookie House. Stay till the end to see what we made. This cookie house is for Halloween. Woohoo! What's included in this cookie kit? This kit includes cookies, assorted candy, and easy to use icing with tip. Let's open up and see inside. Easy, soft and squeezy icing writer green. Pre-made icing with tip orange. 2 pieces of milk chocolate snack bars. 5 pieces of milk chocolate Hershey Kisses. Halloween queens and candy bones. Not forgetting the chocolate house cookies that will be used to build the house. Let's start building! Step 1. Icing pouch preparation. Knead the icing pouch for 1 to 2 minutes, bringing icing to room temperature and making it more adhesive. Once that is done, let's see what's the next step. To start the flow of the icing, remove the cap and snip 1/4 from the top of the tip. Be sure not to cut the opening too large. Your icing is now ready to use. Step 2. Arrange house pieces for assembly. Step 3. Apply icing. Ensure there is enough icing to stick the pieces. Pipe a zigzag of icing along the edges of the front and back panels. Line the 4 canals of the Easy Built tray with a zigzag of icing. Step 4. Erect walls. Place back panel of house into the canal of the Easy Built tray. Then press side wall up against icing strip on back panel. Repeat process with second side wall, then front panel. Adjust walls to create a good rectangle prior to putting on roof pieces. The walls are not holding well together, let's add more icing. Add icing until you don't see any gaps. Uh-oh, there's not enough icing, the wall fell, we need more. Let's continue making. We need to make sure that we put enough icing so that the roof doesn't fall down. Let's put the roof on now. We need to hold for a while to make sure that the icing is dry and everything sticks together. Hold for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can finally start decorating our Hershey's chocolate cookie house. You can follow the sample of the cookie house on the box, or just use your imagination and make anything you like. We start opening up all the decorations and make our own haunted house. Squeeze a bit of icing here and there. I saw the candies everywhere. Most importantly, just have fun. Our Halloween Hershey's chocolate cookie house is finally complete.